Hi! In front of me is Doogee S70 and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down, click on System and choose Languages and Input. Then Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. From here, go into Theme and click on this plus sign under My Themes. Now click on the image that you want to set up, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on Done and tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on. When you're done, select Apply. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!